Ever wondered how your car's electronics work? Well, you're not alone. The world of car electronics is a complex one, filled with intricate components and systems that all work together to make your car function. It's like a symphony, with each part playing its own unique role, yet all working in harmony. In this video, we'll be exploring the basics of car electronics. We'll take a look at the different components, from the humble alternator to the computer systems that control everything from your car's speed to its temperature. We'll also see how these components work together, creating a seamless driving experience. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the world of car accessories, discussing how they can enhance your vehicle and your driving experience. And of course, we'll talk about the importance of maintaining these systems to ensure your car stays in top condition. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of car electronics. So what are car electronics and why should you care? Well, let's break it down. Car electronics are essentially the heart and brain of your vehicle. They control everything from your engine's performance to your radio's volume. First off, let's talk about how electricity is generated in a vehicle. This is done primarily through the alternator. When your car's engine is running, the alternator transforms mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electricity is then stored in the car's battery, ready to be used when needed. Now, this energy doesn't just sit around. It powers key components in your vehicle, such as the ignition system, fuel system, and dashboard lights, to name a few. Let's take the ignition system, for example. When you turn your car's key or push the start button, an electrical signal is sent from the battery to the starter motor. This wakes up your engine and gets your car ready to hit the road. The fuel system, on the other hand, uses electrical energy to pump fuel from the tank to the engine. Without this system, your car would be nothing more than a very heavy paperweight. Not to forget, electrical power is also needed for your comfort and convenience. Think about it. The air conditioner, heater, power windows, and even that radio blasting your favorite tunes all depend on the car's electrical system. And let's not forget about safety. Many safety features such as anti-lock brakes, airbags, and even advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking all rely heavily on electronics. In essence, car electronics are the lifeblood of modern vehicles. They ensure that your car is not only functional, but also safe, comfortable, and enjoyable to drive. So whether you're a car enthusiast looking to dive deeper into the workings of your vehicle, or a regular driver just wanting to understand your car better, it's worth learning about car electronics. As you can see, car electronics play a crucial role in your vehicle's operation. So next time you're behind the wheel, remember, there's a whole lot of electrical wizardry going on under that hood. Now that we know the basics, let's delve into the key components of car electronics. First up, we have the car battery. Think of it as the heart of your car's electrical system. It provides the jolt of electricity necessary to power all the electrical components in your car. Without a battery, your car just won't start. Next, we have the alternator. It's like your car's personal power plant. It keeps the battery charged and powers the electrical system when your car is running. So when you're cruising down the highway, listening to your favorite tunes, it's the alternator that's making it all possible. Then there's the starter motor. This is the muscle that gets your car going. When you turn the ignition switch, the starter motor spins the engine a few revolutions to draw in air and fuel. In simple terms, it's the component that sets the engine in motion. Last, but certainly not least, we have the ECU, or the electronic control unit. This is the brain of your car, controlling a series of actuators to ensure optimal engine performance. The ECU receives data from various sensors around your car, like the oxygen sensor or the throttle position sensor. It then uses this information to adjust the fuel injection, ignition timing, and other key parameters. In essence, the ECU makes sure your car is running at its best. But the ECU isn't just about engine performance. It also controls a wide range of your car's functions, from the anti-lock braking system to the air conditioning. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure every part of your car works in harmony. Now, you might be wondering where all these components fit in. Well, the battery and alternator are usually located under the hood, while the starter motor is typically mounted on the lower part of the engine. The ECU, on the other hand, is often tucked away in a safe spot inside the car, like under the dashboard or the passenger seat. Remember, these are just a few of the key components in your car's electronic system. There are many other parts like the spark plugs, the fuel injectors, and the sensors that also play a crucial role. So to sum up, the battery provides the initial spark, the alternator keeps the power flowing, the starter motor sets the engine in motion, and the ECU ensures everything runs smoothly. Together, they form a complex yet beautifully synchronized system that keeps your car running. These components form the backbone of your car's electronic system, and understanding how they work can help you appreciate the marvel of engineering that is your car. So the next time you get behind the wheel, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of electricity that makes your journey possible. But how do these components work together to keep your car running smoothly? Well, let's take a metaphorical journey under the hood to understand the symphony of car electronics. The alternator, battery, starter motor, and the engine control unit, or ECU, are the four key musicians in this orchestra. Each plays a vital role, but it's their harmonious interaction that keeps your car humming along. The alternator is like the power plant of your vehicle. When your car's engine is running, the alternator takes over the job of providing electrical power to the car's systems, and more importantly, it charges the battery. It's a little like a dynamo, converting mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. The alternator ensures that the battery is always topped up and ready to go. The battery, you could say, is the heart of the car. It provides the necessary power to start the car and keeps all the electrical systems running when the engine is off. It's like a reservoir of energy, ready to be tapped into whenever needed. The starter motor is the spark that brings your car to life. When you turn the key or press the start button, the battery sends a surge of power to the starter motor. This motor then cranks the engine, getting it running. It's like the first domino in a chain reaction, setting everything else in motion. But overseeing all of these components is the maestro itself, the engine control unit, or the ECU. The ECU is essentially the brain of your car. It receives information from various sensors throughout the vehicle, processes this data, and then sends out instructions to various components including the alternator, battery, and starter motor. It ensures that everything is working as it should. And if something is off, it's the ECU that triggers your check engine light. So let's put all of this together. When you start your car, the battery powers up the starter motor. The starter motor then cranks the engine. Once the engine is running, the alternator kicks in, supplying power to the car's systems and charging the battery. All the while, the ECU is monitoring and controlling these processes, ensuring everything is working smoothly. It's like a relay race, where the baton is passed seamlessly from one component to the next. The alternator charges the battery powers the starter motor, and the ECU oversees the entire process. Each component relies on the others to perform its function effectively. In essence, these components work together like a well-oiled machine to ensure your car runs efficiently. It's a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to how far car technology has come. From the moment you turn the key to the hum of the engine on the open road, remember it's the harmony of these car electronics that makes it all possible. But what about all those cool accessories in your car? How do they fit into this equation, you might wonder? Let's take a closer look. The first thing to understand is that these accessories aren't just add-ons. They're integral parts of your car's electronic system. Picture your car as a grand symphony orchestra, with each accessory playing its unique part, and like any great symphony, all the parts work together in harmony for a seamless performance. Consider the stereo system, for instance. It's more than just a way to blast your favorite tunes on a long drive. It's a complex piece of electronic equipment, powered by the car's electrical system, and connected to speakers, amplifiers, and sometimes even your car's computer system. Then there's the GPS system, your ultimate road trip buddy. This handy little device gets its power from the car's electrical system and uses satellite signals to guide you to your destination. It may seem simple, but behind the scenes, it's a marvel of modern electronics. Let's not forget about those electric windows. Remember the days of manually cranking down the windows? Those days are long gone thanks to the car's electronic system. With just the push of a button, an electric motor powered by the car's electrical system effortlessly rolls the windows up and down. And these are just a few examples. From heated seats to rear-view cameras, from Bluetooth connectivity to automatic headlights, the list of electronic accessories in modern cars is almost endless. Each one of these accessories is powered by the car's electrical system, and each plays its part in making your drive safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. So, every time you roll down your window or turn on your GPS, Remember, it's all thanks to your car's intricate electronic system. It's the unseen conductor of the symphony that is your car, making every journey a harmonious experience. Just like any other part of your car, your electronic system needs regular maintenance. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Car electronics have evolved tremendously over the years, and they now play a crucial role in your vehicle's functionality, efficiency, and safety. Let's start with a simple truth. Regular maintenance of your car electronics can help avoid major issues in the future. Think of it as a preventive measure, like getting a regular medical checkup. You wouldn't neglect your health, would you? The same logic applies to your car's health. The heart of your car's electronic system is the battery. Without it, your engine won't start, your lights won't work, and your car's computer system will be offline. Regular checks of your battery's health can help you avoid getting stranded in the middle of nowhere, or worse, in the middle of heavy traffic. Next, let's talk about the fuses. Fuses are like the gatekeepers of your car's electronic system. They protect your vehicle's electrical circuits from damage caused by an overload or short circuit. If a fuse blows, the circuit it protects will stop working. Regular checks and replacing blown fuses can save you from unexpected surprises. Your car's alternator is another crucial component. It charges your battery and powers your car's electrical system when your vehicle is running. If your alternator isn't working properly, your battery will drain quickly and your car might stall. Regular maintenance of your alternator can prevent these issues. Lastly, your car's computer system, also known as the Engine Control Unit or ECU, controls various aspects of your vehicle's operation, such as fuel injection and ignition timing. A malfunctioning ECU can cause a myriad of problems, from poor fuel efficiency to complete engine failure. Regular diagnostic checks can help identify issues with your ECU before they become serious problems. In conclusion, maintaining your car electronics isn't just about keeping the radio playing or the GPS working. It's about ensuring the longevity of your vehicle, its efficiency, and most importantly, your safety on the road. Remember, a healthy car electronic system means a smooth and safe ride. So that's a brief tour of your car's electronic system. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of car electronics and accessories, from the basics to the key components, and how they all work together to make your driving experience smoother and safer. We started off by understanding the basics of car electronics, which laid the foundation for our exploration. We discussed how the electronic control unit, or ECU, acts as the brain of the car, controlling various functions and communicating with all the other components. Next, we delved into the key components of car electronics, exploring the intricate workings of sensors, actuators, and controllers. We learned how these components interact to control everything from engine performance to safety features, with sensors gathering data, actuators making necessary adjustments, and controllers overseeing the entire process. Then we delved into how these components work together, painting a picture of a beautifully synchronized system where every part plays a crucial role. We explored how the ECU uses data from sensors to make real-time adjustments via actuators, ensuring optimal performance and safety at all times. In our discussion on car accessories, we explored the role of additional gadgets and devices that enhance our driving experience. From music systems to GPS devices, we discovered how these accessories add comfort and convenience to our journeys. Last but not least, we emphasized the importance of maintaining these electronics. Regular maintenance not only keeps your car running smoothly, but it also extends the life of your vehicle and helps prevent costly repairs down the line. The world of car electronics is vast and ever-evolving, and understanding it can seem daunting. But with a little curiosity and the right knowledge, you can navigate it with confidence. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a regular driver, knowing your car's electronic system can make your driving experience more enjoyable and safe. If you want to learn more about car electronics, do check out the link in the description box below. Drive safe and stay curious.